This will be the third part on our video on this 2021 Trax. We're going to do the air filter. This looks a little bit more complicated. You got one, two, looks like two Phillips heads, and then one, two, three snaps. That shouldn't be bad. Hopefully we don't have to take anything else loose. When we get in the filter, they got the CarQuest filter, so they went to advanced. The part number on there is R479940. That's the advanced brand. If you want to get, like on the Civic, I did the AC Delco. You can take that part number in and they can look it up, cross-reference for you. Go to AutoZone, just tell them, hey, I got a 2021 Trax. I need an air filter. You guys know the engine, I think this is like a 1.4 turbo. So I'm gonna grab some tools and we'll get started. So you have a screw here in the back right beside this AC port, and a screw right here in the front, kind of right there. Phillips head did it. I was gonna say I could pop it up and maybe pull it out this way. I don't know if I can get to it because of the fender. I think I can get it out, maybe. Oh yeah, all right. Okay. This one is not too bad. I've seen a lot worse. I'm already in here, so I'm going to change it, but if this was me, I'd let this go another oil change or two. This is not bad at all. I am going to, while I'm in here though, I did see there's a leaf in here. I'm a big fan. I've actually, when we did the maintenance on the Miata, it had corn in it that was like level with the bottom of the filter. I took my air back and sucked it out, or my shop vac. But I'm going to go ahead and change it, but I'm going to recommend that they don't really need it on this one, but I'll show you all how to do it just in case. This is the new one. Something I recommend doing, compare. Yep, that's the same filter, same height, same diameter, same everything. So, to put it in, is the reverse. Set it in there, okay, make sure. Okay, then you'll have, like I said, there's 3 latches back here it'll go in. I hate these stupid latches. Okay. Okay, it'll go in. 1, 2, 3. These actually are curved, and I think this one is just straight. Then you'll take put your 2 Phillips heads back in, and you're done. Easy fix.